Hey beauties! So today, this video is in partnership with Kiss Products, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of hairstyling, a little bit of edges, a little bit of everything. So this tutorial is a fairly easy hair tutorial itself, but I kind of want to focus on the products and give you a little demonstration on why I love them and how they work. So first, I'm just going to explain and go through what I'm doing here. So obviously just took my hair out, just put a part down the middle, nothing like extra crazy or anything you've never seen before or you can't do. So I'm just brushing my hair out. It's been in, like, of course, that bun for days. So I'm just making a nice little neat part right now, as neat as I can. And then once that's done, then I'm going to start with my little pony. So I am just taking a little hair tie and brushing my hair back. Not too sleek, but just like enough to get it down and make it look soft on the top, you know what I mean? And then I'm going to turn my head to the side so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing in the back, because I know ponytails and like how you do your pony is like totally preference, but if you want to leave it totally flat, that's up to you, and I love that look too. But usually I like to leave like a little bump in the back because I just feel like it looks like, I don't know, like a little bit chic. So that's how I always wear my pony. I don't like it completely flat in the back. So I'm kind of just like pulling at it a little bit till I like it and I like how it looks. And then here I'm going to start fixing up my ponytail because it's looking a little sad. And I'm taking the Kiss Edge Fixer. So this little baby right here has been my new little jam. Like, this is my everyday, one of my everyday hair products. I don't really go crazy with the hair products on a daily basis, but if I'm going to use anything, it is going to be this, because this just finishes my look. And I don't know how I was doing my hair before this product, but I feel like this just took my hair to the next level. So thank God for this. I've been using this for the past like 2 months, and I've really fallen in love with it. So as you can see, as I demonstrate this product, you guys can see this has a little bit of a tint to it. So I'm using the color dark brown, and what I do is I either use it one of two ways. I either put the product on the brush and I rub it in, and that will give me like a more natural like edges or hairline look. Or I will just apply it straight with my finger, like you just saw me do, onto my edges or my hairline, whatever. And it will give me the illusion of having a thicker hairline and thicker edges. And you guys know that that is never a bad thing. So this product has done me a lot of justice in the past couple weeks. And it's just my new favorite. Like, I feel like I cannot do or finish my hair without this, because it just makes my hairline look so thick and my edges so full, and it makes it look really like natural. Like, nobody's gonna clock you when you're wearing this. I promise you, mamas, you are going to be good with this product. Oh, and by the way, little side note, this brush that I'm using is also by Kiss, and I've really been loving that as well because I use them together. So as you can see, I'm using the fluffy side, but the other side of that brush also has like a little rat tail comb to it. So that's really nice, because before I was using a toothbrush, so I totally leveled up when I got this brush from them. It's just the little things that make the biggest difference when it comes to hair, just like edges and the products you use, because it could be the fanciest little packaging or whatever it is, but if that does not work, girl, then it's just a mess, girl. Like, do not even waste your money. But this is everything. So when you purchase this, just let everybody know who put you on, because it was me and I deserve the credit for that. LOLs, just kidding, I'm playing. But this product is going to be at your local beauty supply store in January, so that is now. So if you're looking for it, you should actually check your beauty supply store that you're closest to, because it might be there, because it's January already, and before you know it, it's going to be mid-January. So there you go, it's going to be in your store. And if you guys have like any other questions, I will have information and links and everything you need in the description, as always, as usual. But seriously, guys, I keep clowning around in this video, in this voiceover anyways. But the next time you go to your beauty supply store, if they do have this and you are able to locate it, or you purchase it online, however you decide to do it, and you try it out, please like come back and let me know your thoughts, because I always like to share, like, you know, ideas, comments, whatever it is, especially on beauty products, because I'm just curious to know how it works for everybody else. I know I always say this in my videos, but it's just so true, and that's why I love doing these types of videos, because it's always interesting to hear what everybody has to say about it and how different things work for different people. So now I'm just going to conclude my video with using the Kiss Argan Oil, and I love to use this just for like a shine on my hair when I'm done. I don't know if you guys do that, but I always do that. I have to finish my hair with shine, especially because my hair is like a little bit rough, it's like a little bit dry, so I like it to have some sheen at the end. So this basically concludes my video, guys. I hope that you loved it, and I really do hope that you try this product, because it's one of my faves. It's one of my everyday products now, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys. Love ya.